Hey, what's going on, everybody? We about to taking this car to the body shop and picking up a car. Good, how are you, Wilson? Camp. Well, I have the bumper's still good. They said that you know, take a little bit of hood. I have the headlight. Nah, he wants you to fix it and paint it. He wants you to do more than I ask. He want it to look good. He don't just want it straight. He want it to look back new. Give me one second. You got it. Yeah, probably got a certificate. Yeah, certificate probably got a fender for you. You sure you can't say this fender, Wilson? You probably could say that fender. Probably, but it'd probably be too much work trying to save it than just getting another one and painting it. Probably be trying to get it off, beating it straight and everything. Well, we'll see how it turns out. But we're gonna go pick up my cars from the auction, so y'all get to see this roll before, you know, see it. Then when they come back and pick it up, we'll see to show the after. So I'll cut this, stop the video right here, then I'll start the other video so that I'll be slicing the one, so then you can see this one at the beginning of the next video when he picks it up, so you didn't see the before and after. So, huh? Oh, yeah. You use that Ford grill. I want to look good. So I ain't moving them lemons. There's some puller parts on there. This must be some timber. Why they send me? Because you need the battery, you might as well. Like if I said, okay, you might as well swap the battery out. I don't know which one's better. I know this one. Go ahead and start it. Might as well. It goes good, just do it. Probably left something on. I mean, I didn't really get to listen to it like this, so I mean, I kind of just bid it on the, you know, Candace. He came over there and seen it. I know. After you get one, then you drop everything. Drop it. Oh, yeah. That's where you blow it at. I didn't even get the one. They answered too much for the old Expedition. Like, come on, man. Come on, bro. A 98 Expedition with 260 on the miles, and y'all answering 2,300. Like, well, I just needed a cheap vehicle to sell to somebody that needs looking for a cheap. I didn't need y'all to. Did they move my Durango? Nah, still in the same spot. Nah, I could have been, but nah, that one needed like a whole full everything. Yeah, I gotta go get this jump box right here and check my fluids. Check my fluids on my old Durango. It wasn't too much for that Pontiac. They should have just sold it to me. I always feel like if you don't take my offer, like, bro, y'all send it to the auction. So I'm like, y'all want to sell it? Like, how much money y'all think it's gonna bring at the auction? Yeah, y'all might could run it next week. They running it next week. They probably bring more money because, you know, that time some people that sold some cars and all that's like, you know, many people might not sold that many cars this week. I'm still waiting on ACV and Backlots to drop my other cars off. I'd have had more videos for you guys this week, but waiting on them to drop my vehicles off. Can't. I mean, I could have did a video of the Honda, but it's already at the body shop, so y'all see that. I be wanting to show y'all a video of the cars I bought. You know, that's something my brother bought. Just did a video on it. Just gotta put that window up. It's got good tires on the back, rims. Interior is pretty good. Interior is pretty good. It look like they kept it up, you know, besides that little jump box. $154,000 miles. See how she's looking underneath here. Okay. Let's make sure. Got coolant, just a little low though, so it ain't really low, it just ain't all the way at the top. Yeah, this ain't filled. This got something just ain't filled to the top, so we can top that off. Top that off when you change the oil. Oil is low. Oil is low. Let me get something to wipe it off right quick, just to check it again. So use this piece. I'll be right back with you. Go riding good. AC just need to be probably charged up, so I'm gonna get a couple cans of Freon, see what we can do on there. Probably get like put one can and then like one of the leak one to see what's some stop leak in there and see what we got going. Cause it's blowing cool, but it just ain't blowing that cold. You know, you get this back window up. Other than that, I'm running, shifting that gears, no service lights on. Only light on is the gas light, but you know, can't do. You gotta just stop and get some gas. But we put some gas in there. We ain't gonna fill it up though. Maybe get you about a half. Maybe get you close to a half a tank of gas when it's selling. You know, so when people know how expensive gas is. You know, even if they got a half tank, you can't put a full tank on there. But person hop in the car, be like, damn, it got some gas, and I thought bought the car, ain't gotta stop for no gas. They want that. Especially the way prices is now, and then putting gas in this, shoot, half a tank of gas, probably $40 in this car. What do you think? Probably half a tank, probably 40.
Probably.
Just to get your half, probably need 75, 80 just to fill it up. Cause what, gas $4 now?
Yeah.
Basically $3.90, $3.96, $3.97. So you might as well just call it $4.
Getting hotter and hotter.
Hotter and hotter.
It'll be $5 in a minute.
Alright, yeah, they gonna sleekly jump it up by them little 10s. You're gonna look at it, it's gonna be 405. Then it's gonna be 409, 418, then 431, and then you like, golly. Nobody ain't saying nothing about those parts that keep creeping up. Like, come on now. Like, if the price of gas going up, y'all gotta get the cost of pen. People gotta go up. You know, if everything going up, the pay definitely has to go up. Can't keep paying people minimum wages. Come on, Zuzu.
Ever digging home. $40 is more than a fair enough amount of gas. You're putting in $40 a lot. But you know, you gotta add that to the expense that I put on the deal. You gotta keep all your receipts. Make sure you keep all your receipts together. You know, you put gas in the car, whatever you buy for the car, you know, put it all in the receipt folder. You know, oil changes, tires, Freon, anything you do, put it all in the shit. Make sure you keep it all in the folder, because you know you want to get credited for all this stuff. You know, you don't want to just buy it and stuff. You know, keep the receipts every time. Keep the receipts. If not, you want to get credited. This thing run good though. Like I said, 154 on the map. See if the cruise control work. They already got it vacuumed out for me too. Ain't already. I already got a surface clean. Click on the cruise control. Set. Okay. And then I got it. Alright, there we go. Cruise control set. off, like the seat only is broke, so I mean nothing you can do about that. Nothing you can do except replace the whole seat, but we ain't about to do all that. Yep, but we'll see how when we get to the shop. Yeah, we got the Durango back. Runs, drops good. I thought it was the AC just needs to be charged, but it's not. It's the compressor that needs to be replaced because I just wouldn't look under there. When I was looking under there, they had it unplugged, and when you plugged it up, it was like you could feel like it was like it was not locked up all the way, but it was getting to that point locking up. So where if you like kept running it, it was just gonna lock, and then it was just gonna snap the belt off. So I guess that's why they unplugged it, so the belt wouldn't snap off. So it needs a compressor. So I'll probably just order one off of Amazon. They can't be that much. I would say wouldn't go to the salvage yard, because you know you go to the salvage yard and taking a chance putting that one on, and then it's not, you know, you might as well get the new one with the warranty. So I ordered that off the line. Changed the oil. It's already cleaned up, so it's really just changed the oil in the compressor, and that's it. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section below what you would sell it for. You know, it's a 2001 Dodge Durango, 4-wheel drive, 150,000 miles. Let me know what you would sell it for. You know, let me know how much you would spend for it, and let me know how much you would sell it for. Let me know that in the comment section below. But if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we out. Peace.